climb inside the 2012 Chrysler Town & Country. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 270 horsepower, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. All of the premium features expected of a Chrysler are offered, including a built-in garage door transmitter, removable floor console, and one-touch window functionality. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Passengers in the third row enjoy seat-back reclining functionality, providing an extra level of comfort and convenience. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Rear LCD monitors provide entertainment that your passengers will appreciate, no matter how far the drive. Chrysler ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as front side impact airbags, brake assist, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.